Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by obtaining and equipping the Space Glove immediately. Make sure the glove meets the level requirement and has charges. Once equipped, confirm it sits in your primary hand slot and the HUD shows available charges. You should perform a quick test on a practice bot. Execute a light tap, then a charged hit, then a release to observe animation and force. This validates responsiveness, so you can move into live matches with predictable controls and timing. You now focus on charge timing and mobility. Charge partially for rapid taps and fully for maximum range and knockback. Combining a dash or jump while charging shifts your hit arc and increases reach, so practice the rhythm of movement then release. Once you understand opponent patterns, bait a block by feinting light hits, then release a delayed charged strike to break guard and stun. Make sure to alternate charge lengths and angles so opponents cannot predict or counter your approach. You complete engagements by landing a decisive charge slap and immediately following with a light combo or reposition to secure the win. Once done, check glove cooldown and energy levels so you can rotate safely and cover flanks before the next exchange. If the glove misfires or feels inconsistent, first verify your server ping and then reload or re-equip the glove. Test once on the practice bot to confirm functionality. This troubleshooting step prevents avoidable losses in future rounds.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.